Hi there. You want to see more World War II relics? You see, we are at a site that used to be a World War II battle site and reputed to be where the Japanese Imperial Army had their last stand here in the Bicol region. This chapel has a relic of World War II. So let's check it out. Come on. This bell is a portion of a vintage bomb, well, a spent vintage bomb, empty. Okay, perhaps the other part is in some other chapel. We'll check it out soon. Apparently now the violent past of these bombs has been silenced by its highly spiritual and ecclesiastical use nowadays. No longer a weapon, but a means to call people to worship. So join me again next time. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Check my other videos on hiking, outdoors, and blade culture and other topics. Thanks, and remember the pen is mightier with a sword.